back. Oh yeah. Alright, so we're literally pretty much done now for sure. Part, I don't know how many. So last time, remember we did these bad boys, then these bad. The other kind of looks nicer, in my opinion, with all that stuff. But I mean, I was supposed to wait to open up the thing, but Kevin couldn't wait. So we got the wing in. You know? Here, do something. Huh? We're not taking that out of the video. You're nasty. Dude, nobody's gonna want to date you like that.
Good. That's the point. It's gotta sit like this. We need to make a rack. We need to make a.
You got the metal on the back.
It's gotta sit like this. I'm not sure.
So we don't know if you wanted it from here.
How is this gonna sit on here? Roll it on?
So now we'll cut it. We'll cut it from here. Make a triangle. Make it flat. So it's good that you
That works.
did that, so we can. Right there.
You got a pen?
Will this actually generate downforce?
No. This is purely for looks, bro.
Downforce for what? This thing is just full of holes, dude.
The fuck do you think this is? A F1 car? Chill, bro.
Oh shit. Want that shit. Oh my god.
Dope.
Oh dude, that was so fucking nice. Oh.
Just don't put it too tight. Tell him not to put it too tight. Whoops. Cool, bro.
I don't know my strength.
You come over. Just move them both in. Cut it off and hold it up. Yeah. Leave it like that and then cut it.
Well, just make sure over there we're like straight.
Where?
Tack it right here, and then we're gonna pound it in. Just tack it right there. Just tack it right there.
Hey, let's go!
Oh, okay.
Fucker's ready, dude.
There!
Fucking beautiful right there, boy.
That is... Dude, you're going too fast. Look, go. Go slow. Get another fucking... See?
That's
Fucking beautiful right there.
Well, yeah, because I'm grabbing you.
yo.
You see the way I grabbed JJ? Beep, beep, beep. Since we can't cuss, we're fucking done with this shit. After so many years, we just have to put the wing down. Now it's done. Like I said, you'll just paint this, but that's, I mean, I'm sure you guys can imagine all this painted. For all those of you, we added this, that, for more support, and then this one, the middle one, and the corner one. I mean, like I said at that last video, we're gonna get rear-end and we're gonna get f***ed anyway, so. I mean, but you know what? Let's go for a ride. This is probably the last video you'll see, guys, of this car in a while. We're moving on to bigger, better things. Oh, fuck this car. Oh. Okay. So this is how ladies get in. Oh yeah. Dude, have anybody told you you look like Chris Brown?
I haven't actually.
Yeah, you look hot. Just don't punch me.
Dude, give me. God damn it. Right.
Kevin, don't steal nothing.
Oh hell.
Projects, now we're making projects.
That is a good one.
It is. Pretty proud. I can't. Yeah, let him come through and then I think this is it. We're done. I mean, all we gotta do is just paint little things here and there. I think the next video is gonna be the OBS. I think we're gonna start getting ready for that. He's drifting. I think my neighbors hate me pretty much.
You need to adjust the fucking clutch.
I don't know what he said. But I don't think it's that
Yeah, that clutch is fucking.
yeah, it's either the clutch is going out or I think it's going out.
Barely touch it.
I love it. It's nice. It's trash. Let's back it up a little bit more and then I'll have to do my drive. Yeah, I think that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Just take some I guess some ending shots of the car and then maybe we'll do another one just getting emissions on it.
Cool.
But